Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a QuickBooks Online account for your business. Let's get started. To access QuickBooks Online, you need to log on to quickbooksonline.com. To the right of your screen, you'll see a free trial link at the bottom of the banner. If you click this free trial link, you will be given access to QuickBooks Online free for 30 days. Let's click free trial. On this page, you are given the option to select which level of service you would like to use. In my opinion, the Small Business Essential is the best level of service. It has just what you need plus a little more so it'll grow with your business. So let's click Try It Free. On this page, you are going to actually set up your user ID and your password. Once this has been created, click Create Account. After you have created your account, you will be asked two questions on this screen. Just enter in your business name as you want them to appear on your financial statements and how long you've been in business, and click Next. On this screen, this is sort of a quick map to certain modules in QuickBooks, but we're going to skip past this because I want to take you straight to the dashboard. So just click All Set. And this is our dashboard, and this is the screen that you'll actually see whenever you log in to QuickBooks Online from now on. There are a few things I want to show you in the system, and the first thing is in the Accounting tab. From the Accounting tab, we have access to the Chart of Accounts. And the Chart of Accounts is the backbone of your accounting system. It houses all the accounts that you will actually track. And so it's important that it's set up as efficiently as possible. And so one of the first things we're going to do in your accounting system is to modify the basic Chart of Accounts that QuickBooks Online provides us. So let's take a look. Click on See Your Chart of Accounts. Okay, so this is the basic chart of accounts that QuickBooks gives you as part of the program, but we need to go in and modify this chart of accounts so that it works for our specific business. And to do that, we're going to add accounts that are not currently there, and we're going to delete accounts that we don't need. Now, all of the accounts in this list are fair game except any account that is listed as an equity account. So if you look under the type column, anything that has equity in the type column, you do not want to touch at all. Everything else is fair game. The first thing I want to show you how to do is to set up an account. And we're going to set up two accounts initially that are not in this basic list: a banking account and a credit card account. The reason we're going to set these two up is because everything you do in QuickBooks is either going to affect your cash account or your credit card. So it's very important to set that up first. In order to do this, go to the new link over on the right-hand side of your screen, and you will open an account screen. Bank is already selected. For detail type, you can click the drop-down menu and select which type of account you're going to be using. For this example, we will use checking. Under name, I like to use the name of the bank and the last four digits of the account number. So let's say we are banking with Wells Fargo, and those are our last four numbers. The next screen that we need to fill out is the balance. For the balance, you want to use the ending balance on the most recent bank statement that you've received. So this is January 2018. My most recent bank statement would be December 31st, 2017. So let's say we have a balance of $21.90. And we'll put a date in as of 12/31/2017. Okay. save and close, and now we have created a cash account. We want to do the same thing for a credit card account. So let's go to New, and this time under Category Type, we're going to select Credit Card. Under Credit Card Name, again, we want to use the name of the bank and the last 4 digits. So say our credit card is with Capital One. And for the balance, we're going to use the same date that we use for the banking account. So let's say our credit card balance is $578 as of December 31st, 2017. Click Save and Close. And now we have also created a credit card account. Next, I would like to show you how to delete an account that you know you will not use. So let's take reimbursable expenses. If you think that's an account that you will not use, you can go over to the right-hand column, click the drop-down menu, and select Delete and confirm. And that account has been deleted. The next thing I would like to show you is how to create an expense. In order to create an expense, you click the Create tab at the top, and under Vendors, you enter Expense. This is your expense screen. In the Choose Payee tab, you will enter your payee. So today, let's say we have to pay business registration fees for the state of Georgia. So we will enter the payee as Add New, State of GA, and click Save. In this field, we're selecting which account. Are we paying it from a bank account, or are we paying it from a credit card account? In this instance, we will use the bank account, but entering an expense for a credit card is exactly the same. You would just select the credit card instead of the cash account. The payment date is already populated. You can change it if you need to. Under Account, you're going to select which account from your chart of accounts you want to charge this expense to. Tax and licenses. For our description, we can put business registration and the amount. And we can save and close. And we've just entered our first expense. Like I said, to enter an expense for a credit card is exactly the same. The next thing I would like to show you is how to record income. And you record income by recording deposits. So let's go back to the Create tab, and under the Other column, we're going to select Bank Deposit. Okay. This is your bank deposit screen where you will record any money that comes in, and it's already set up to go to our Wells Fargo account, but if you have multiple accounts, you can select them from the drop-down menu. You can select the date. You can either keep the pre-populated date or you can change it. Receive from, this is optional. You can enter a name from whoever you receive the funds from. The account is the important information that you need, and you're going to select an income account from your chart of accounts. We will select sales. Description is also optional. Payment method is optional, as is reference number. The next important field that you need to fill out is the amount. So let's say we received $2,500 from this client. And we would click Save and Close. Okay, so now you've recorded your income, you've recorded expenses, and so now I would like to show you how to run financial statements. And your financial statements are located under your Reports tab. So let's click Reports from our menu. And this is a list of the available reports. And your financial statements basically give you a snapshot of your business activity at any time. So you can click on Balance Sheet, and your balance sheet will show you what your cash balance is and what your credit card balance is. If we go back to Reports and we click on Profit and Loss Statement, it will show you what your net income or net loss is at any given time. So your sales, these are the sales we entered at $2,500, and these are our tax and license expense. So right now we have net income of $2,200. The final module that I would like to show you is the My Accountant tab. Although this tutorial walks you through how to create and maintain an accounting system, most of you are not accountants and didn't start a business to become one. Yet it's a very important function of your business. And part of taking responsibility for this part of your business is knowing when to ask for help. This could be help with setup, it could be a monthly or quarterly check-in, or it could be annual help at tax time. And that's where this module comes in. This module will allow you to enter the email address of the accountant that you choose to work with and grant them access to your accounting system. So this is something just to keep in mind when you get to that point. Just to recap what we've gone over, we talked about the importance of the chart of accounts and how to modify it, how to enter income and expense transactions, how to create a balance sheet and profit and loss statement, and how to give access to an accountant through the My Accountant tab. I also wanted to give you some bonus tips on maintaining your accounting system. The first tip is to open a business account and use a debit card for all expense transactions. This will eliminate the need for receipts because your bank statement will serve as your receipt. Update your accounting records once a month when the bank statements are available. This saves time and reduces recording errors. And finally, remember the My Accountant tab. Know when to ask for help. I've enjoyed our time together. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and check the box below for more information about me, my firm, and other resources available to help you start a business. If you have any questions about QuickBooks or business, or if you have ideas for videos that you would like to see, please leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and have a great day.